Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi addresses election rally in Garhwa, Jharkhand. President Draupadi Murmu today interacted with a group of women achievers in the Indian aviation sector at Rashtrapati Bhavan. New and Renewable Energy Minister Prahlad Joshi today said India has reached 19 gigawatts of installed solar capacity in its goal to attain 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. The United States will vote tomorrow to elect its 47th president in a fierce race between Republican nominee Donald Trump and Democratic leader Kamala Harris. India delivered an impressive performance at the Under-19 World Boxing Championship in Colorado, USA, securing 7 medals including 4 golds across the men's and women's categories.